Bye bye. Good morning. It is almost 9 o'clock. 31 degrees. And I'm leaving Champasak and the Mekong River behind these houses to go to Casino. First I have to get some kip, Laos money. Oh, come on. No. Oh. Next. No? Oh, that one also? No. Okay. Yes, I succeeded. I got money from the ATM with my normal banking card, so it's not as expensive as with a Visa card. Amazon. I love Amazon. They've got good coffee. And airco. Hello. Do we have a room? One night? My room for the coming night. Good morning. I am in Casino. It is 8:30. 33 degrees. I stayed one night in Casino in a nice guest house, and today I'm heading to Lak Sao. It's quite a long day, I think, 260 kilometers. I didn't book a hotel. I think the last 100 kilometers or so will be in the mountains. Looking forward to that. This is also the main road to a big city called Thakhek. That's why there's a lot more traffic than on other roads. Finally, mountains. This point they call the sunken forest. at that, curves. That's been a while. Well, lovely place to have lunch. But quite ironic. Oh. This place is here because LAO's built a reservoir here for making electricity. The one under the bridge. And they had no power at the moment. So the government of Laos built the reservoir and the power plant, and they filled the region with water. That's how it goes if you make a reservoir. And you can see it here on the Navi. The trees that were under the waterline all died, and it's called the Sunken Forest. This road is part of a famous loop that tourists do with a scooter, the Thakhek Loop. There's a lot to see on our way, and it's a beautiful road. Wow, what a nice place! This is the one. Thank you.